My Portal gives you smart access to the Valeo world, your main Valeo services in a single digital interface. All information that matters most to your business. User-friendly, personalized, with 100% secure data accessible 24/7. Want to know more? More than just placing your orders online, we are making your full business experience easier. All in one place. Access your ordering and delivery history. Check product availability. And get your estimated delivery dates. Access the status of your requests, including warranties. Access invoices with detailed status. And guess what? There's much more. Get sales development opportunities tailored to your business, specific promotions and gap analyses, and of course, updated information on our new products and ranges. It's all at your fingertips. Easier operations, improved efficiency, boosted business. Welcome to the Smart Valeo world.